Let's make cottage cheese egg bites. The perfect high-protein meal prep option for busy mornings. Start with 1 cup of boneless chicken, cut into small pieces. Add 1 tablespoon of homemade tandoori masala, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, 1/2 teaspoon of garlic powder, 2 tablespoons of olive oil, 1 tablespoon of yogurt, 1 tablespoon of lemon juice. Recipe link for homemade tandoori masala is in the description. Marinate for 10 minutes. After that, sauté for 10 minutes on medium-low heat. You can make this chicken a day before and refrigerate. After that, add 1 cup of water and cook covered for 10 minutes. After that, cook on medium heat till the excess water evaporates. Switch off the flame and set aside for later use. Pour 5 eggs into the blender. 1 cup of cottage cheese. 1/2 teaspoon of salt and 1 teaspoon of red chili flakes. Blend for 30 seconds just to combine. Now add 1/4 cup of chopped tomatoes, 1/2 cup of finely sliced spring onions, 1/4 cup of chopped cilantro, and 2 small chopped green chilies. Mix it to combine. Brush generous amount of olive oil in the base and sides of the baking dish. Pour the batter into the baking dish. Sprinkle 1/2 cup of shredded mozzarella cheese. Now place the tandoori chicken pieces over it. Lastly, sprinkle the green part from spring onions, which was saved for this step. We made one more batch for the muffin tray. Follow the same steps for the muffin tray. We recommend you to use the silicone baking cups instead of paper one to prevent sticking. Bake in the 350 degrees Fahrenheit oven for 20 minutes or until golden. Place on cooling rack for 10 minutes. Loosen the edges with the knife and let it cool for 5 minutes. Cut into desired size pieces. Serve warm with your favorite coffee. This egg bites recipe is an easy, delicious, and healthy addition to the breakfast. Like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.